Hello guys, thank you for coming to my channel. On this video I want to show you to release one more bird, and actually it's two bird and this bob. I have two bird in it. We can release in this area. Let me see. I can now open it. On this box I have two birds. I don't know what the bird species, but it's beautiful bird, I think. Can you open careful on this part? I just let it go. Open it. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And one more. Hello. Okay. This one and this one. One more. There you are. Come on. Show you up. Here it is. That's why. Very nice. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and for help me to release more birds.